What is that?
A heart.
Where's the lungs?
One there.
Where's the kidneys?
Heart.
What's that?
Hold on.
Look. What's that?
It's a skeleton.
The skeleton?
Yeah, what's that small? Is mommy?
Mommy? Where's the baby?
There.
Where's daddy?
There. Daddy? Dad.
Mhm.
His baby. His baby?
No, who's that supposed to be?
Akira.
Okay, where's baby?
There.
Uh-huh. Okay, next page. Next page.